Today is cooking day. We are going to make puto. In English, it is steamed rice cake. Here's our ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, eggs, evaporated milk, water and butter, cheese and salted egg. Let's start!
Every man want a piece of me. The back of them a pop and them a bun weed. Man want wine behind me, me have to move kind dusty. I'm looking for a brother who got hella pound. 079 baby, I'm a hammer, did you shop?
Bossy, bossy, Godfather, man a OG, man a half humble, man a bossy. Fling a rag a rhythm like it's all free. Bossy, house on the coast G. My money so long it doesn't know me. It's looking at my kids like I'm bossy.
Hey yo, Sean.
Hey, so when me spitty body with it, maybe gala get with it. Spitty body with it, maybe gala get. When me tappy body with it, maybe gala get with it. Wind up your body and spin it. Girl, when you bubble, that's a trouble. Why you give me this something now? Turn it around and bring it.
We're gonna steam it. Okay, we're already gonna put it in the steamer. And we need some supervision today. Steam it for 10 to 12 minutes. Hello! We're done making the steamed rice cake. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Watch our other videos. Bye! Yummy! Yummy! Bye! Good cheese and salted egg. Bye!
Bossy, I make your girl melt like a toasty. I've been this way someday, and I write for myself, no ghosting.
Needs a boy got money in a bank.